The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has informed us of the actions that save one from the punishment of grave. As-salah, the prayer. Prayer is the greatest act of worship. Whoever preserves it preserves his religion, and whoever neglects it neglects his religion. It saves the one who preserves it from the punishment of the grave. As zakat, compulsory charity. It is one of the pillars of Islam. It is the right of Allah in wealth. It is given to its 8 categories of recipients. As-Sawm, fasting. Obligatory fasts of Ramadan and voluntary fasts such as on Monday and Thursday, the days of Ashura, Arafah and Ayyam al-Bid, that is 3 white days, which are the days on which the moon is full, namely 13th, 14th and 15th of each lunar month. As-Sadaqah, charity. As-Sila, connecting ties. As-Sadaqah is a generic term that applies to giving charity in money, clothes and goods. As-Sila applies to connecting ties of kinship, and the greatest of such ties is that of the parents being dutiful and kind to them. Good deeds. Along with the acts of worship, commanding good and forbidding evil, reconciliation between people and others save the person from the punishment of grave. Al-Ma'ruf, act of kindness. It comprises every deed Allah has commanded. Just smiling is an act of kindness. Admonishing is an act of kindness. Act of benevolence, meaning being generous to people and demonstrating good character to people, and so on. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam included all of these virtues in a single hadith. He said, I swear by He in whose hand is my soul, he, the deceased, hears the sound of their footsteps as they depart from him after his interment. If he is a believer, his prayer will sit at his head, zakat on his right, fasting on his left, good deeds, acts of kindness and benevolence to people will sit in the direction of his legs. He will be approached by an angel from his head, and As-Salah will say, there is no passage from my side. For he will be approached from his right, and Az-Zakat will say, there is no passage from my side. Then he will be approached from his left, and fasting will say, there is no passage from my side. Then he will be approached from the direction of his legs, and his good deeds, acts of kindness and benevolence to people will say, there is no passage from my side. Seeking refuge from the punishment of the grave. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, while he was offering a funeral prayer, used to supplicate, Allahumma gfir lahu warhamhu wa'afihi wa'afu anhu wa'akrim nuzulah wa wassi' mudkhalah waqsilhu bil ma'i was salji wal barad wa nakkihi minal khataya kama nakkaita as-sawbal abyada minad danas wa abdilhu daran khayran min darih وأهلا خيرا من أهله وزوجا خيرا من زوجه وأدخله الجنة وأعذه من عذاب القبر وعذاب النار اللهم عبدك وابن أمتك احتاج إلى رحمتك وأنت غني عن عذابه إن كان محسنا فزد في حسناته وإن كان مسيئا فتجاوز عنه اللهم إن فلان ابن فلان في ذمتك وهب لي جوارك فقه من فتنة القبر وعذاب النار وأنت أهل الوفاء والحق فاغفر له وارحمه إنك أنت الغفور الرحيم